Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I am going to talk about the post-COVID recovery with the help of yoga or how to regain the strength after COVID. This video is for those who affected by COVID or recovered from COVID. They can practice these kriyas or breathing techniques after 2 to 3 weeks of getting recovery from COVID. One thing that all are experiencing even after the COVID recovery, that is weakness that the infection brings. So I am telling some yoga kriyas or asanas, some breathing techniques that one can try to regain the strength and energy. One has to take precaution before starting these exercises. Firstly, you can start or practice these exercises or kriyas only after the 1 or 2 weeks after the recovery. Or do not exert yourself, that can harm you. Firstly, we are going to perform two types of breathing for our lungs to boost the lung capacity and also to increase the oxygen level in our body.
Now we are going to practice abdominal breathing, for which you have to lie down supine on your back, bring your both feet closer to your body and then knees together. Keep your hand on your stomach. Now breathe in where your stomach muscles are moving upwards and breathe out where your stomach muscles are inward, pushing downwards. So you have to breathe in and breathe out using these stomach muscles so that your lungs breathe completely, fully, and that's how the toxins would be removed from the bottom of your lungs also. By practicing these kriya, lung functions effectively by using diaphragm muscles and encourages the nervous system to relax itself. Now, practicing the diaphragm breathing on lying prone on your stomach with arms folded in Makarasana or the crocodile pose, it will automatically get you started toward a more natural breathing style. It offers a chance to unlock the breath and release the tension. There are several versions of doing this breathing in Makarasana. Now rest in the pose, relax your breathing and begin to observe the movements of your body. Inhale and exhale completely.
Now, the two asanas, light asanas that we are going to do while sitting, you can do this on sitting on your bed, anywhere you are comfortable with.
Sit with your legs together and stretched out in front of you. Place your hands next to your hips on the floor. Flex your feet and extend through the heels. Engage your thighs and actively press your sitting bones down. Draw your lower belly in. Stay in this pose for 5 to 15 breaths. Keep engaging your abdominal muscles to maintain the pose. This asana improves your core stability, strengthens the back muscles, also strengthens the quads. Now relax with every exhalation. The second seated asana is Parvatasana, the mountain pose. Here you inhale and raise your both arms up above your head. You are sitting and stretching your body upwards. Your entire central body gets exercised. So stay there for some time and come back normally. Do one more time. Inhale in 2 seconds, hold and exhale. Bring your hands back and relax. This asana stretches all the abdominal and pelvic muscles and loosens the hips. Internal organs in the abdominal region get proper massaged.
Lastly, we are going to try one breathing technique that is called Udgit Pranayam or breathing technique.
Sit in any meditative posture, either in Sukhasana, Padmasana, or Ardha Padmasana, and gently close your eyes. Your spine should be straight. Breathe deeply through your nose till diaphragm is full with air and exhale. While exhaling, chant Om. Om chanting calms the mind and brings stability. breathing technique also relieves tension, anger, and anxiety. Is an excellent breathing exercise for meditation and also effective against hypertension. Reduces stress and anxiety.
So make sure that you are following on all these things. They are very simple. You can perform, anybody can perform. That you are helping yourself and coming back from your weakness. This is the one thing that you are doing physically for your body. But the other thing, please be positive, stress free, cheerful, and laugh. Because when you are laughing, your stomach region, your abdominal region exercises and open up. You have to do your part and everything will be beautiful and correct. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel.